Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This wall fan, industrial fan, very nice fan. And this fan problem is it's working, but working for only 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then when it's become hot, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, then it's turning off automatic. Then after half an hour, after 1 hour, then it's can on again. So let's see. Customer said like this. If I turn it on, see it's working. Yeah, it's working, but working for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. Okay, what is the reason? The reason is there is coil. In the coil there is thermal fuse. There is thermal fuse. When becomes hot, if thermal fuse is uh, for 60 degrees Celsius, so if it is hot 60 degrees Celsius, then after 60 degrees Celsius it will disconnect. Then when it's become off, if you off it, or it will turn off automatic, it will disconnect. If it is disconnect, then this fan will turn off. Then after 1 hour, 2 hours, sometime 30-40 minutes, if it's cool, then it will connect automatic. Because in this coil, same things they use inside the coil, they use thermal fuse. So this is the reason. Okay, what is the reason it's becoming hot? Its reason is there is bearing or booster. We have to say bearing or booster. There's a very tight jam. You know, it's jam. It's not free. So it's jam. It's not free. If it's jam, then this motor will become hot. Sometime if it's a motor is jam, you'll see sometimes it's slow. It's moving slow. It's not moving fast. So this is the two reason. So let's say I'll open it. How to fix this? See, this is the motor. So it's not free. You know, it's little bit jam. It's too tight to spin it. So dear viewers, uh, there is bearing. There are two bearing. Front one and back side is one. So if it's bearing is still good. Looks is still good, but just it's tight only. So if its bearing is good, you just put oil. You have to make it free. You just put it oil. This is a engine oil, you know. Then you have to spin by hand. So oil will go inside the bearing. See, I can feel it little bit loose. See, it's free. Yeah. Same things. You have to do backside also. Backside there is also bearing. Both of bearing. Same things. Can you see? Dear viewers, you have to make it free until free. If you feel it is free, then you can try. But it will take time. It will take time 10 to 20 minutes to make it free. Dear viewers, you have to put oil inside also, so it will be more good. Or put oil here and put back side also, bearing, then you can use it. To make it free. So this is the very easy way to make it free. Put egg in oil little bit, put back side at first, here you see, inside the bearing. So dear viewers, I can feel it's free, it's moving free, so inshallah will be okay.
So let me fix it.
So let me turn it on. Okay dear viewers, now it will work fine. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.